In today's acrylic painting tutorial, we're gonna practice our blending technique as we work through this dreamy dandelion painting. Before going further, let's prepare the materials as so. I'm going to start today by mixing up some color to get orange, pink, violet, and blue. These will be the background colors. By preparing these colors beforehand, it will make the blending process easier. Now get the big flat brush and paint your canvas orange. Remember to clean your brush when transitioning from one color to another. In order to get yourself a perfect blend of this pastel sky, blend quickly. You don't want to let the paint dry, you want to keep moving the paint around. Also, blend with the help of your fingertip when it's needed. Our third step is to paint the grass and stems. Drag the brush across the page to make thin grass and stems of the dandelions. And then you can use the tip of your small brush to refine the leaf's shape. Okay, step 1 of the leaves is done. Now step 2 is to add a bit of highlight and shading. For the highlight, I'm adding white into my green mixture and putting them on the left side of the greenery. I will use a darker green color to do shading on the right side. Make a little semicircle using white paint on the top of the stem, and then you're going to get rid of the paint on your brush and just use a damp brush to blur out the hash line. Let's do another one close up. And now you can see me making smaller and less apparent circles to create more of a heavenly vibe. On the next step, we continue with creating the dandelion seed head. We want it to look delicate, light, and beautiful, and to do that, take your smallest round brush. And if you happen to cover up the center along the way, you can always go back and refine it with the green later. Paint the final details of your dandelions by adding papas around the seed head and the flying seeds. Again, a small round brush is preferred in this step. Start by forming a W shape, then add 3 or 4 dots on the top of your W. To polish it up even further, let's do some brush work. Mix your white paint with enough water using the round brush, then wiggle it out to form freestyle brush strokes. Technique number 2. You can create tiny dots of dandelion seeds by splattering white paint using the big flat brush. Well, I'm all done, and I hope you enjoy this painting, my friends. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and event updates. Bye!